In this video, I want to go over some low competition Earth Day niches for Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before we go over those low competition Earth Day niches, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is currently 5:08 p.m. on a Monday afternoon, sitting at 60 sales, $43 in royalties, 7 returns. That is going to put me at 1,054 sales for the month and $1,675 in royalties for the month of March. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, lifestyle pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So next big holiday that's coming up is Easter, and then after that we're going to have Earth Day. And every year Earth Day, the niche does very well on Merch by Amazon. We're going to see that it's going to be on Monday, April 22nd. So we're about a month away, so plenty of time to get your designs up. And Earth Day designs are already starting to sell, as we can see from Flying Research. But if we go ahead and take a look at the first phrase or niche that I have for you that's low in competition, is going to be "Don't be trashy." There's only 304 results for this phrase. When we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 304 results. And this is what some of the designs look like, and this is what some of the BSRs are looking like. So right here, we can see they have reviews, they have BSRs. Now the majority of them are using this kind of like recycle clip art right here. That seems to be the most popular. But one thing that I noticed about the majority of these designs is that they're all pretty much on black. So consider maybe using a different color mock-up, like green, I think would be a good one, or even white. You can see how they're all black right here. But a lot of these are selling. They got good reviews. It's low in competition. When we go to test to see if this is trademarked, "Don't be trashy," I'm not seeing anything pop up under t-shirts in the 20 or the 025 class on test, but always do your research. When we take a look at the competition on Etsy, "Don't be trashy," we can get an idea what some of the designs look like, and we can see that it does look good on white and also on green as well, so something to consider there. Competition on Redbubble is low, only 171 results. And we can see a lot of the top sellers are stickers. Stickers are the best-selling product on Redbubble, and I would recommend that you use stickers as your thumbnail. It's just going to help your listing stand out more. You can see like this is a lot easier to see than this one right here. And then if we take a look at the competition or the designs on TeePublic, we can get an idea of the designs there. And actually, if we go to Creative Fabrica, there's actually a lot of designs that we can use for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand websites. You can see all these come with the print-on-demand special license, and I think the one that I liked the most was this retro sunset one. We've seen the retro sunset design style sell very well over the past 4 or 5 years on Merch by Amazon. So this could be a good one right here. So that is the first low competition Earth Day niche that I have for you, and it is "Don't be trashy." And then the second low competition Earth Day niche I have for you is I have an Earth Day birthday. So what we're doing here is we're taking Earth Day and we're cross niching it with birthday. Anytime you have an upcoming holiday, whether it's St. Patrick's Day, whether it's Easter, whether it's Earth Day, Cinco de Mayo, if you can just cross niche that holiday with a birthday, you got a good chance of getting a sale. We're going to see that there's only 106 results for this phrase right here. And when we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 106 results. When we take a look at the designs, we can see what the designs are looking like, the BSRs, the reviews. I did not find any trademark for this phrase on tests. Right here, nothing pops up, at least from my research. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see competition and what some of the designs look like. And one thing that I noticed for the designs, like me personally, I would probably recommend that you add in the date of actual Earth Day, not the year, but just the date, so April 22nd. I think that kind of helps you stand out among some of the other ones. It makes it a little more personal to the person wearing it. So just something to consider when designing for this niche. On Redbubble, there's only 15 results. And like these ones right here, it looks like they just made it way too big. It should be a little smaller. It should look something kind of like this right here looks good, or this looks good as well. So that's the competition on Redbubble. TeePublic, I think there's only one design, but you can see it has the date, which looks good. And when we go to Creative Fabrica, there's actually a design that comes with the print-on-demand special license. Right here, you can see 2. And this one right here, and it looks pretty good to me. So you could actually take the design and upload onto Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms, and hopefully get some sales. But that is going to be the second low competition Earth Day niche I have for you, and it is this one right here. I have an Earth Day birthday. And then the third low competition Earth Day niche I have for you is a funny one that says keep the earth clean, it is not Uranus. There's only 100 results for this phrase. When we go to the third page, we're going to see there's still only 100 results. When we go back to the first page, we can see what some of the designs look like. We can see the BSRs. I didn't find anything on test in the 0-25 clothing category in t-shirts, so it looks safe. When we go to Etsy, we can take a look at what the competition and designs look like. Looks like a lot of PNG files. If you're not good at design, you could actually get PNG or designs here on Etsy. You just have to check in the description that is allowed, and if it doesn't say, then I would recommend that you just message them and ask if you can just specifically use the design for Merch by Amazon or wherever you want to use it. If we go to Redbubble, there's only 16 results for this phrase, so very low in competition. And I saw some pretty good designs here on TeePublic. So you can get some ideas, like this one right here is creative. It's not even using any clip art, just straight text. And I even found a design on Creative Fabrica, and it looks like it does come with the print-on-demand special license. But that design looks pretty good. Maybe he can get you some sales. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up, I do get a small commission. But Creative Fabrica is where I like to get all my clip art and designs for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. That is going to be the third niche that I have for you, and it is keep the earth clean. It is not Uranus. And then the next low competition Earth Day niche I have for you is going to be Planet over Profits. Only 65 results. There's in the third page, so I can't show you. But here are what some of the designs look like. And you can see a lot of them are on white, and it looks pretty good on white in my opinion. They got reviews, so they're selling. If we go to check to see if this is trademarked, there actually is a trademark for it, but not in the clothing category. Remember, it has to be in the 0-25 class, which is the clothing category, and it has to be in t-shirts. So even if it's in, the 0-25 clothing category, but it's for like hats and socks, but it doesn't say t-shirts, then it is okay, or at least that is how I understand it. If we take a look at this trademark right here, we can see that it is in the 0-35 primary class, and you can even click on here to see what kind of goods and services that they're selling, and it doesn't even say, oh yeah, right here, online retail store featuring organic, so that's sustainable clothing. So it's not in the clothing category, so this is safe. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see the competition and the designs. If we go to Redbubble, let's take a look at the competition there. Only 362 results. TeePublic, we just got one result. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, they don't have the best designs, but I thought this one could work maybe if you change the colors to green. And I thought this one was kind of cool too, showing like the 4 seasons or something kind of like that. But that is going to be the fourth low competition Earth Day niche I have for you, and it is Planet over Profits. And then the last low competition Earth Day niche I have for you is going to be the future of planet Earth is in my classroom. So this niche is taking Earth Day and cross-niching it with teacher. And again, just like with the birthday, anytime you can take an upcoming holiday and cross-niche it with like teacher or even nurse, those niches tend to do very well. So this phrase only has 328 results. And when we go to the third page, we're going to see that it's still only 328 results. A lot of these designs are using like the boho rainbow that I saw, so that could be an option. Or you could do the planet, or get creative and think of something yourself. But you can see they have BSRs, they are selling. Didn't see anything in the 0-25 clothing category. On tests, competition on Etsy, right here we can see what some of the designs look like. Redbubble, very low in competition, only 49 results. I was kind of surprised that it was this low for a teacher niche. TeePublic, this is what the one design looks like, and I did find a couple designs on Creative Fabrica, and these actually look pretty good right here, like this one right here, and this one too I think could work as well. Yeah, so that is going to be the fifth niche I have for you. And again, it is the future of planet Earth is in my classroom. All right, so those are the 5 low competition niches I have for you guys today. If you want to support the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I also have 2 affiliate links for Creative Fabrica and Flying Research. Flying Research is the way that I found the majority of these niches. And if you want to know how I make sales like this on a regular basis, I actually think I got some sales when I was recording this video. I don't remember. I think we're at 60 actually when I started. So yeah, so up to 67 now. The first link in the description is a course that I have on Udemy. It's for beginners for Merch by Amazon and people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. So if you're interested, take a look. First link in the description. It's only $20 on Udemy. If you're not interested, it's all good. I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and I also want to thank everybody that jumped on the live stream with me today. It's the second time I did. I kind of had some technical difficulties and people couldn't hear me, but I figured it out. Thank you for being patient with me. I appreciate all your kind comments. And it looks like people like it, so I'm just going to continue doing that, and I will do it again next Monday, 9 a.m. Central. And I'm going to do it at my girlfriend's house next time where I have better internet, all right? Okay, so that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.